Well, all right, Kima. We got another Firecracker game,
What do you like?
and it's got a $700 major. And I hate betting 240, but that's what we're gonna do at Nichols, cause she wins at that. Okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Come on, bonus.
Thought you did it.
Yes.
Those are our favorite two.
Come on, bonus. Come on, bonus.
I like it when you get a minor and then pop
Come on now.
it. Or a major, even better.
Double up. Come on, check it.
Oh. Come on, Kima. Pop it. Oh, I love it when you do that. With a double up, especially.
Stay changing.
Do something, whatever you like. You don't have to ask. There's only a little money left.
Come on, bonus.
Oh, man. Are we going to get it before we run out of money? Because I'm not putting any more in.
Come on, bonus.
Come on, Yamava. Don't be stingy. No pop, no pow, no nothing. You did it. And we have a fire alarm
I
going on.
present extra spins.
So they don't know why it's going off, but anyway, we're okay. We're gonna win some money and worry about the fire later.
Big one, Lisa. Minor, Kuya. Thank you so much. Come on. Big one. Where is it?
Can you get some bigger ones? I know you're trying.
Lisa. Minor.
Wow, these are little numbers. Dollar, $5.
Now.
Phew,
Come on. Give me everything.
Another dollar.
1,000.
Kima, you might get 14,000 today.
Come on. Lisa, where is it?
Crazy peeping going on.
Come on, Sim. Sim, one, please.
We're in the middle of a nuclear attack here. I think we might have to leave. Don't push any buttons. I need to hear this. Now, they've been saying that all right, somebody reported an emergency. While they're figuring out what it is, they're telling you to get to an exit, but I don't know. I think we're done. We're gonna do a little more.
Back up, always. Back up.
You know how backups work. You ready?
that.
Oh, that was awful.
Come on, bonus.
They said, please check and see where the doors are, I think is what they said. I don't know. I couldn't hear it. Well, all right. Backups work. We didn't win much on that 2-cent one, huh?
An extra spin.
That was awful. I was more worried about the fire. All right, let's boost some zones.
Come on. Work. Come on, Major. Minor. Work. Thank you so much.
Somebody might have had a heart attack or something and they pulled an alarm. All right, we need some zones to get boosted now.
Come on.
How about a green one? Just to make me happy, you know? They don't care. They don't care if I'm happy. All right, you got it 2 times. I want that blue one, yeah.
Come on. Ship, work.
Come on, the blue one, baby. None are going by in that blue one.
Come on, ship. Pop.
Oh no. It's like when you're gonna win the grand, nothing going by. You gotta get one though. Pow. Oh no. They're gonna stiff us. Do it.
Come on, ship. One, please.
Do it, do it. Oh, minor went by. Kind of a, at least it's nipples. Not too good for a zone boost, but that was the good one. $55. We started with 60, yeah, okay. And are they all empty now? The double up's still there, right? We'll give it $10. Okay? 4 spins. Unless you win something. Alright, now. I'd like to get the double up, but we probably won't. But we're going to give it $10. So we started with 60. We're going to leave with 60.
Come on, bonus.
Come on. Pop, 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 pop.
Come on now, bonus.
Oh. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, we
Thank
did
you
it.
for playing.
Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And Kima just keeps pushing buttons. Maybe we'll get it. Triple. That would have been something. Okay, more firecrackers. We love firecrackers because she wins on them sometime. Nickels. And we got some volume. And it's 50 nickel bet.
Come on, bonus.
Uh-oh. All right. 4. We never got a quadruple pop, I don't think.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on, bonus.
All right, you're a captain. You got the boats.
Come on, bonus.
I think I'd like to change the bet because that's $25 with nothing. All right, at least it's a $2 bet now. You ready?
Yeah.
4. Well, all right, change the bet and get the extra
Extra
spins.
feature.
Oh, extra feature.
Come on, Tabra. either refer everything. Come on.
Extra feature.
Come on. Sit. How? Where?
This one pops other ones a lot, but I hope you do it this time. But
Come
you
on,
gotta
down,
get
down.
some.
Don't boost.
That
No,
one, that
that
one, that one.
Chippity. Do it.
Oh,
I like that you sit down now.
me too. We need it because we're not making any money yet.
Come on.
Oh no. All right. Don't boost. No.
Come on, sit. Chippity pop. Double, down.
Oh, Kima, they should have gave you that. That's just my rule.
Come on, sit. What? How?
You got one more chance. Humana, humana, humana.
How?
Pow! Didn't work. It's not much, but it's maybe got our money back.
Nice one. Chippity.
Almost our money back. All right, we want these three. She's going back to nickels because they were so good to us.
Come on. Double down, please. Come on.
I don't think it likes nickels, but I don't know.
Do it. Pop, pop, pop.
Oh, only one?
Do it.
Only one?
Come on, bonus.
My Boomba stops weren't working. You better do it.
Come on.
50, we're gonna get out of here.
Double.
Oh, you can do what you want. I don't care.
Come on.
It worked the last time we did that. Go ahead.
Come on, double down. Please.
Think we can get it if we stay past 50? Maybe.
Come on, please.
You're not gonna answer me?
Yes, right.
You don't wanna quit?
Yeah, no.
All right.
Come on. Do another
That's
one.
all I want is an answer.
Force, not a good one. Come on.
Come on.
Pop, pop, pop. Zhao.
Wanna get crazy? You don't wanna?
Do it.
You gotta answer, yeah. Okay. Your friends can't hear it when you nod your head.
Pop. Come on. Chippity pop.
Oh boy.
Come on, bonus.
One more.
Come on, double.
I don't know. Maybe. Can you do that, please? Nobody can do it. All right, we did it. Come on.
Do it.
Almost. face. You did it. You got that bad one again, but we'll take it.
Extra
Nickels this
feature.
time. Extra Kima. Everybody needs some extra Kima.
Come on, Chip and Pop. Pop. Chip.
Anything. Oh no. All right, let's get the zone boost too. No. All right, all four.
Yes. Do it.
Cheap machine.
Come on. Stop it out, please.
Oh my God. 2 more spins. All right, get all 3. Get 1. Get anything.
Come on.
Hey, let's get a bigger one. Well, that's a little bigger. This thing always pops another one for you. Not this time. Maybe though.
Chip and Pop.
Wow, never seen so many where you don't get any. Double up. All right.
Double
Hit it,
active.
hit it, hit it.
All right, honey. I like it. Kima's activated. Not too many good ones, but
Come on, Chip. One. Work.
let's get the zone boost and the ultra now.
Come on, Chip. How? Chip, one.
Oh no. 2 more spins.
Hamna. How?
You gotta get one. Wow, these things are hard to get. Last spin.
Chip, one, please.
All right. With a $25 mini.
How?
No.
Come on, Chip.
I'm gonna get it now though.
Chip, one, please.
Nope.
Chip, for me, please. Chip. Come on.
Come on, Kima. Last spin. You can do it though. You're gonna save it right now. Hamana. Nope.
Hamna, no work.
Oh well. That 25 helped. All right, 85 bucks. It's not gonna buy us that new Mercedes, but give it a little more.
Try.
You gotta do backups, right?
Yeah.
The way we've been going with backups today.
How?
Look at you.
4.
5 and you don't get nothing?
Come on, Bird. Don't push it. Come on.
We started here with 100, huh?
Yes.
Well, that's not good.
Stop it out. How?
Okay, Kima, we found some more firecrackers.
Yes.
Today's firecracker day, I guess.
Oh,
But we're winning on them and we're not winning on other games, so let's see what happens. Touch the money, please. Okay, that's a better.
come on, bonus. Bird.
Look at your uncle. Uncle shows up with a $13 hit. All right. Pop. Oh,
Come on, chip and pop. Double pop.
any old pop.
Come on. One time, just give me chip and pop.
Right, just one time. We haven't had a triple pop in a while. Well, Monopoly a few weeks ago, but not on the Firecrackers.
Major, minor, yeah. Come on, bonus.
Uncle Kima, where's all your brothers?
Sleeping.
Ah,
Wake up.
how about a triple pop?
Double.
All right, a double.
Ah,
Uh-oh, I'm not feeling good about it. It's taking too long. Some people think if you don't win in the first 10 spins, you should get out of here, but I don't know.
come on now, triple. Just give me one.
If we did that, we'd never
Yes,
win,
double up.
probably. We got drums.
Come
This
on,
isn't dancing drums.
please.
Bao Zhu Zhao Fu.
Double. Do it.
Oh, man, one at a time. They're making you work for that one. All right, double. No. I hate to go to 2 cents, but... Oh, Kima. You gotta get these. Pow,
Come
pow.
on, bonus. Double, please.
All right, I want to go to 2 cents now. That's 30 bucks, you know. We're gonna only go 20 more, so. But if we can get a bonus and keep it going, and then get a backup bonus,
Come on.
everything will be all right.
Come on, please. Please, no work.
Ha! Ah, the Firecrackers fooled us again. Come on, baby.
Come on, bonus. 2 cents, no work. Nickels, no work.
You did it. Just when you bitch about it, it happens. Usually I have to do that, but you did it this time. Extra Kimas. All right, we need bigger ones.
Big one.
Come on,
Wait.
words.
Wait.
Oh man, that's only $1 each. All right, no voodoo today. Going voodoo-less.
Big one, word. No work.
No words. They're not even. Oh, there was a mini.
Come on, please.
I buy twice and said bye-bye.
Major.
All right, we're keeping it alive. We need bigger balls. You need some bigger balls, Kima.
Word, please.
All right, I know you're trying. How about a $40 minor just for kicks? No.
Come on, Major.
I
Minor.
don't care about my kicks. This is your last spin. Hamana. All right, Hamana work.
Wait.
They're all $1 though. I mean, come on. Is that all Yamaba can afford to give us? We're not even getting our money back yet. We need a word. Oh, Kima, come on, baby.
Come on, 6. 1. How?
All right, you need to put some. Oh, you did it. Extra special hamanas on this one. 3 spots left to get $10,632.
Come on, 6. Yes.
Hamana. No hamanas. All the hamanas in the world don't work. There's that fire alarm again. Attention. We're done. $1. This is terrible, you know. But we got to do backups because we've been getting bonuses every time we do a backup. 14 stinking dollars. I should be happy, but I'm not. She's gone back to nickels.
Come on, please.
Okay, Kima picked this game. I wonder why. She always picks this game. Bao Zhu Zhao Fu with the bonus boost. Nickels, big bet. 240. Big bet for us anyway. No volume? Why? There's always volume. I guess not. Okay. Uncle Kimaslots. That's what I say. We're at Yamava today. Got up a little early to come get our free gift. Wasn't worth it. Pow!
Come on, shoot it back.
They gave me a bunch of free play, but it's almost gone.
Come on, bonus.
I don't know. Free play is a losing proposition for us at Yamava. How do you guys feel about it? You think it works different than regular money? I sure do. Triple pop. No. Could have been. You gonna get a bonus?
Yes.
I hope so. All right, look at that. You got jacks end to end, but $26. All right, we're back to where we started on this machine. Oh.
Come on, triple pop, no petition, please. Come on, bird.
Like the purple one with the bird. And a double up. Red and purple.
Come on now. Double.
Come on, baby. Nickels didn't work, so she's going with pennies. Triple! You did it. You got a double. Oh, I wish we got the double up.
Welcome to Ultra with extra spins.
Extra birds. Come on. All right.
More. Come on, raise our minus. Say forward,
I wish this was nickels now, but we'll take whatever we can get. Fill it up, baby. Fill it up. Oh, no. All right, let the bird do his stuff. All right, you saved it. $1.50. That bird was cheap.
Raise our minus word, please.
Come on, bird. Where'd you go? All right. Big bird. $4.50. That's okay. Another $4.50. All right, the bird's dropping good ones.
Everybody else would pay the separately. Yeah.
$3, $1.50. Another $4.50. This is good.
Come on, razor.
Not great yet. We gotta save it though. We need more spins. $6. Beautiful. Oh, the bird's really doing a good job now. We gotta save it. Get one. Anyone. A word. Oh no. We're on our last spin. Come on, honey, save it.
Save it. Save it.
Ah! $1.50. Another $1.50. All right. It isn't bad. It's just not great. We got a lot of those. Got our free play back, I think. Most of it. All right, $84. What do you think?
Good. I just popped.
You gonna leave?
Can't get another machine.
Because you popped 2 of them? You don't want to try for the double?
Like I said.
I don't think we'll get it, but I'd like to give it a couple of backups, because sometimes after a bonus, you get another one, right?
Yes, okay.
Who knows?
Yeah, but you know. You
You're
don't know.
gonna stay on that bet?
Yeah. You like to take me, Nico?
No, I'd like to. Yeah, nickels. Nickels. And we're just gonna do like $7 worth, okay? You ready?
Yeah. Come on.
See what I mean?
Pop.
Pop, 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 pop. You did it. See what I mean about them backup spins? Sometimes I think I got a little bit of ESP going on.
Yes.
Not really.
No,
That's your job. No, but you got the bird again, so. And it's nickels.
Come on, work.
A couple of words would really be nice. Those are little numbers.
Wait.
Really? You're just gonna give us dollars?
Razor.
Mini, major, minor.
Come on.
$600 major. Was that the first spin? After the bonus? Second.
Come on, work.
I think it was the first spin. Okay, you're gonna get it now though. Mini. No. All right, last chance for romance. You gotta get a big one, Kima. Minor, major,
See what?
anything. All right. $10 in
They maybe
nickels.
get 12,000.
You wanna win that grand, huh?
Yes.
Me too.
Come on. See what?
All right, come on, baby. Another one. Pow. All right. 4 more spins.
Big one. Work.
Oh, 3 more spins. I forgot. We didn't get the extra this time. All right, we need a word really bad.
Come on, work.
Uh-oh. No words that time. Let's get a word.
Come on.
Even a mini. $50 mini would be wonderful. You gotta settle with a $3.75 and a $1.25 bird.
Come on, see work, please.
You did it.
Thank you. Come on. Work, please, big one.
Well, look at you go. Maybe you are gonna win that 12,000 today.
Yeah. Come on, Kuya. Sit, Kuya. Come on.
All right. Hamana, hamana, hamana. Voodoo, voodoo, voodoo. See if you can get this. Save it. Save it.
Come
Ow.
on, save it.
You did it.
Really, Kuya.
I hope so.
Thanks, I think. Kuya.
All right. Let's get that grand, Kima. You never won a grand.
Come on. Give it to me.
My biggest win was 5,000 and something, but it wasn't a grand. And it was a long time ago.
Here, Mom.
Hey, it's turning into a lot of nickels. Let's get a big one right now and get that green.
Yeah.
I don't see any.
Here.
All right, give it a little loving. Yep. Come on, ultra spins.
Win.
Oh, I don't see any. What'd the bird give us? Not bad. That's it? Thought he was going to keep going. Anyway, I'm glad we stayed. Not bad at all. Better than the first bonus. What do you think? I think we're going to still get that double up. All right, 2,300 nickels. Yeah, we're going to give it a couple. Well, I don't know. I should have left. That was a nice even number, but we still got an even number, but that could have popped. Come on, double up. We'll go to 290, okay?
Come on, bonus.
Maybe you got one more chance. Let's get it right now.
Get it, middle. Double up. Double up. No.
Well, all right, you got another one anyway.
Come on, double up.
It's over. All right, everybody. If you like Kima's videos, and we'll
Thank you for playing.
come back when we find something else.